Welcome back to the art class, children. Remember last time we had made these flowers and butterflies? As you can see, I've outlined them and you also must have done it. Now let's begin coloring. You can choose your favorite colors and please make the flowers and the butterflies very colorful. I am beginning with a yellow and an orange. You can pick up any other color of your choice. You can pick up pink and purple. You can also pick up pink and blue. You can pick up red. So we are making a pattern. One yellow, one orange. Okay? Now for the center, I want to choose a different color. So I may take my red. Don't color inside the pollen grains, children. Like I told you, they are going to be yellow in color. Either you can use your color to fill color inside them, or you may use a yellow sketch pen and fill color inside the pollen grains. Now let's move. I've chosen a pink for this one now, children. Very neatly inside the lines. Now this time, since it has only 4 petals, I'm going to color all the 4 petals with my pink only. I'm doing the purple color in the center. You may choose any other color, children. Now these lines I made with a sketch pen, but you can see, children, I'm again going to repeat the colors that I had done in that flower, the yellow and the orange. The pollens I've colored yellow, and now very slowly, can you see, I'm just outlining around the pollen so that the red doesn't go inside, and I am done with this. Now what is the color of the stem, children? Yes, it's green. It's not brown. Brown is the trunk of the tree. The stem is green. I have many greens in my color box. So this time I've taken a slightly lighter shade for the leaf. And we are going to color the leaf in 2 parts. Half light green and half dark green. Isn't it looking nice? So this is also shading. Now that same green color, pick it up. While you have already picked it up, use wherever you want to. You may also use in the butterfly. Suppose you want to color one of the design with this green color. Another green, and I can color. I have many greens. This is an olive green that I'm doing. I'm choosing a pink and a mauve for this cute little butterfly. Children, you may choose any color of your choice, and the wings can be, the top wings, 2 wings can be of a similar color, and these 2 can be of a different color. It's totally up to you how you want to do this. Now for my other butterfly, I'm going to take a brighter color. I'm going to color her yellow. I'm not going to color inside the circles that I've made for the design. And in those circles, I've decided to use a different shade of a blue. Looking nice? And let me change it a bit. I want it to look more colorful, so I can pick up my orange. And there we go. Our butterfly is also done. What is left? The soil, the mud is left. So I can pick up my yellow ochre color and very neatly do this. Students, our coloring of flowers and butterflies is done. Hope you enjoyed this coloring. Thank you.